couple of people to read out their summaries. A nice loud voice for the camera. Mitchell, you want to go first?
Okay. A will make the graph wider or narrower and also cause it to be upside down or upright. B will move the graph right or left. C will move the graph up or down.
Okay, that's pretty good. What could have Mitchell added for the B and C cases?
If it's negative or positive.
If it's positive or negative. So, has anyone got something you could add to that? Brianna, nice and loud. Yes, which axis move on? Probably didn't hear that for the camera's sake. So someone read out their summary. Aiden, you want to do yours? Nice and loud?
All of it?
Yes, please.
Positive A will change the graph to become narrower or wider. If A is negative, it will have the same effect except in hat shape. Negative B in the bracket moves the graph right, and positive B moves the graph to the left. Positive C translates the graph up, and negative C translates the graph down.
Okay, that's a pretty good summary. Anyone got something along those lines in their summary? Okay, we're going to fill in the gaps in the section underneath that box now. So the last section of this says here, the value of A causes the graph to be, the word we're going to put here is stretched. S-T-R-E-T-C-H-E-D. Stretched. Alright, the graph, listen, A will do this. Have a look here, what I'm doing here. Have a look, it'll stretch it. The correct word's dilating in mathematics. When we stretch it, stretching is that way and compressing it down, making it wider. Is it understood? So I can stretch it up like that, make it narrower. I can stretch it down that way and make it wider. Okay, the correct mathematical term is dilate. Right, if A is positive, the graph is what shape? If A is positive, it's going to be U shape or cup shape. Either one of those, I don't care which one you, or you just put the shape, just put a big U there if you want. If A is negative, the graph is hat shape or upside down. Parabola? Well, just draw it simple. Just draw what it looks like. Alright, this is the one you want to get right here. The value of B causes the graph to move, or shift, or translate. They're all correct terms for you.
Left or right?
Left or right on the, which axis? On the x-axis. So I'll read through that again. The value of B causes the graph to translate left or right on the x-axis. The value of C causes the graph to translate, complete it?
Up or down.
Up or down on the y-axis. Now, we haven't talked about these last 2 points. I want you to have a look at this, what I'm going to do on the screen, and then you can tell me what we're going to fill in this last bit. Now I'm going to change B, I'm going to put B, say, to positive 3, so it actually moves it, looks like minus 3 in the bracket. I'm going to move C to positive 4. Have a look at the turning point of the graph now. What is it?
3, 4.
3, 4. I'm going to move it again. Have a look. I'm going to make C minus 2. Sorry, we passed it. Minus 2. What's the turning point now?
3 negative.
I'm going to move B up to positive 5. What's the turning point? Okay. Because B moves the graph left or right, and C moves it up or down, if I do both things at once, the turning point moves B then C, doesn't it? Or B then C, whatever C is. So the turning point of the graph will be BC. The axis of symmetry will be x equals B. Because that's the x value at the turning point. Keep this in mind though. When I see the rule here, it says x take 2, the B value is in fact just 2, isn't it? Because the standard form, the turning point, is x minus, then what's the B value after the minus sign? If it's plus here, then it's minus a minus number, isn't it? Got to keep that in mind. Alright, the things we're going to do for the rest of this double is, on the next 2 pages there's 2 worksheets. In the first one, you've got a graph. You need to match the graph with the Is that understood? So let's do the first one as a class. Number 1. Let's run the sheet. What do you call cattle that sit on the grass? This is a very funny joke. Okay. Which way is the graph moved? Up, down, left or right? Down. How many units do you think?
4,
5. Now is that a C value, a B value or an A value?